Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send USD from Binance US to Binance. This process involves a few key steps to ensure your funds arrive safely. First, make sure both your Binance US and global Binance accounts are fully verified. This is a crucial security measure. Next, you'll need to understand the different blockchain networks available, such as TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Choosing the correct network is absolutely essential for a successful transfer, so pay close attention to this detail. Now, let's get the deposit address from your global Binance account. Log in and head over to your wallet section, then click on Fiat and Spot. From there, you'll select Deposit and search for USD. This is where network selection becomes critical. You must choose the identical network that you intend to use for withdrawal on Binance US. For example, if you plan to send via TRC20, select TRC20 here. Copy this address precisely. With your Binance deposit address ready, switch over to your Binance US account. Log in and navigate to your wallet, then select Withdraw. Choose USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Paste the deposit address you copied from your global Binance account into the recipient address field. Again, ensure the network selected here perfectly matches the one you chose on Binance. Enter the amount of USD you want to transfer, keeping any minimums or fees in mind. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details. Double-check the deposit address, the chosen network, and the exact amount of USD you are sending. This step is vital to prevent any loss of funds. You will then be prompted to complete any necessary two-factor authentication, such as a code from your Authenticator app or an SMS code. Once confirmed, the transfer will be processed, typically arriving in your global Binance account within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.